In a perpendicular installation, the joists will run parallel to the building and the deck boards will run perpendicular. The end of the first board should be snug against the side of the building for a professional finish. Position a slide and go fastener on the first joist. There is a tab at the bottom of the fastener to allow quick alignment with the edge of the joist. Be sure that the tab does not go on the outside of the joist. Tighten the screw only halfway to secure the slide and go fastener. It will be fully secured later once the deck boards are in place. Continue to add a slide and go fastener to each joist, making sure that they are tight against the deck board. There is a special bit included in the slide and go fastener kit specifically made for these screws. Once the fasteners are in place, add the second deck board and push it snug to the building. Do not be concerned if it is not exactly the same length as the first, but make sure it overhangs the outer edge by at least 3/4 of an inch. The excess will be cut off later. Make sure the deck board is pressed firmly against the slide and go fasteners and ensure that it is under the lip of each fastener. This is what holds the boards down. Add the next row of slide and go fasteners on every joist down the length of the board, remembering to only tighten the screws halfway. Once the next board is in place and all the slide and go clips are secured, you may go back to the previous row to tighten the slide and go screws. As the screws are tightened, make sure that they are tightened to the correct setting. Proper torquing of the slide and go clips is important to ensure that your deck boards can expand and contract. Over torquing will drive the clip screw into the clip, restricting deck board movement. For final torquing, your drill should be at a low setting, usually between the range of 2 and 6. Drill power, wood conditions, and other factors may affect this setting. Watch to see that the screw is at the correct depth. The head will be resting on the top of the clip, but not embedded into the clip. Continue this process until you have reached the end of the structure. The excess will need to be cut off.